The weight bench is quite versatile and can expand the options for your home gym by helping you tackle classic weightlifting exercises and add elevation to bodyweight exercises. In this video, we'll review the best weight bench, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different weight benches. By the end, you'll know exactly which weight benches is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The Yoleo adjustable weight bench is a versatile and space-efficient solution for home fitness enthusiasts seeking a durable and affordable workout bench. Built with heavy-duty steel and a double triangle structure, it provides exceptional stability and support for even the toughest full-body workouts. With 84 adjustable configurations, including 7 back positions, 4 seat angles, and 3 leg adjustments, this bench easily transforms into a flat, incline, or decline setup, allowing users to target various muscle groups with precision. The ladder style adjustment system ensures fast, safe transitions between angles in just seconds. Despite its sturdy construction, the bench is also portable and compact, folding down to just 31.5 inch in length and 13 in height, perfect for small spaces. Weighing only 23.1 pounds, it's easy to move and store. The bench features 1.4-inch thick back and seat pads made from high-density foam and PU leather, ensuring comfort and durability during long sessions. 2.4-inch thick leg foam enhances leg stability for more controlled movements. Ideal for exercises like bench press, chest press, rows, curls, and dips, the Yoleo bench supports a comprehensive full-body workout. With responsive customer service and a replacement guarantee, the Yoleo bench is a smart, reliable choice for home gym setups. Thanks for watching the video.